Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm here because I am going to be painting some bells, and I want to paint them inspired by Mackenzie Child, and where I've been learning my checks is Studio MD AZ. She is wonderful with checks, wonderful. And so I saw these at the Dollar Tree, so I just wanted to show you what this looked like when I got it. And then I went ahead and used some white, and then I'm going to use the lamp ebony black for my black checks. Now I don't know how this is going to work, because when I check this, I check these as different ones. Not sure how that's going to work, but I'm just going to go with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint and put this to music, and when I'm done I'll be back. Okay, so I just went ahead and made this whole thing a square. This is where I made my mistake, is trying to do the white and then the black. I don't know what I was thinking. I should just use that as a square. Anyway, so here I am so far. I'm just going in the corner, coming over. Getting rid of some of my paint. Getting there. I could kick myself right in the Bahura for putting marks on the white. I wouldn't have had to gone back, but you know what? This is how you learn. So I'll just keep going, and when I do the next one I'll know what not to do, right? Okay, so here we go. And this was my own doggone fault. I wasn't thinking ahead, obviously, because now it's going to take time. Usually you have it all painted white and then you just do the black. But now that I have to go in with the white on all of these, it's going to take time. So I'm not going to be on here doing the whole thing. Just a couple. I can't believe I did that, you guys. I really can't. Can you believe that? Oh well. Oop, better me to do it, and you guys to learn from it. You can still see through that. Doggone it. Big mistake, Daveda. Okay, let's put some Mod Podge on this. And then we'll put some diamond dust on it, since it has the glitter anyway. Because you want to seal this. It looks milky now, but it won't look this way once it's dried. But why it is a little wet, we're going to put that diamond dust on it, okay? what I've done is I've taken my flexible ruler and I've come into the halfway point of the bell, and now I'm just making my lines, and then I'll go the opposite way. But this flexible ruler really does help. Okay, I'm going to put you to music while I do this, guys. So far I have this, and instead of using these, I want to use these because I want it to stand out more. These, I think, look better than these for this. And I'm going to do this one bell, and then I'll decorate the other one off camera, and then you'll see where I'm putting them. Okay, so here's the second one, and here's the one we did together. What do you think, guys? Do you like them? I hope you do. And I will be showing you, let me turn it this way so you can see it. I will be showing you where I put these. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.